Hello everyone! So the sixth song is lovely dedicated to my beloved Kuya Chi Vera of Manila, Philippines. This one's for you, Kuya Chi. We're the king and queen of hearts, only when the music starts, all my dreams come true. When I dance with you, promise me you're mine tonight. I've been waiting like tonight. Well, on my side, I'll never let you go. Did I dream that we dance forever? And I wish that we made together. All night that I pray would never end. Oh, you know it's not my imagination, or a part of the orchestration. Love was here at the coronation. I'm the queen and you're the king of hearts. I hope you like it, you cheat. From the bottom of my heart to you. This is a David Fuller snippet, by the way. Too many billion people running around the planet. What is the chance in heaven that you'll find your way to me? Tell me, what is this sensation? It's a miracle that happened. Though I search for explanation, only one thing it would be, that I was born for you. It was written in the stars that I was born for you. And the choice was never ours, as we left the powers of the universe. It might have made you mine until the day I die. I bless the day that I was born for you. Look, it's already 8 o'clock in the evening. It's still very bright in my backyard. What we had the world could never understand, will never take away. As the years go by, until the